Namaste dear children, welcome to class 2. In the previous class I had started the lesson the Christmas song, and in today's class I am going to discuss the exercise part of the lesson Christmas song. Page number 64. Read and understand. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. First one. I will show you the pretty green muffler around my neck. Who said these words? The answer is an old grey cat. Second sentence. I don't want to see the spot on your tail. Who said these words? Robin Redbreast. Third sentence. I will give you some crumbs. Who said these words? A small boy. Fourth sentence. I am flying straight to the king. Who said these words? Robin Redbreast. Fifth sentence. We can find him a friend. Who said these words? The queen. Last sentence. Let us find out from our helpers. Who said these words? The king. Fill these answers in your textbook. Next main question. B main question. Look at the picture and tick right the correct answers. First one. These two people are. See, look at this picture. These two people are. Who are they? A option. The king and the queen. B option. The prince and the princess. Here answer is the king and the queen. Prince and the princess means Rajakumara, Rajakumari. King and the queen means Raja, Rani. Second sentence. They are standing near the A option window, B option door. See what it is? It is a window. They are standing near the window. Third sentence. The two birds are A. Robin Redbreast and Penny Wren. Robin Redbreast and Jenny Wren. The right option is B. The Robin Redbreast and Jenny Wren. And next page. C main question. Answer these questions. First one. Why did Robin Redbreast want to go to the king? Second one. What did the sly fox want to show Robin Redbreast? Third question. What did the king ask his helpers to do? And fourth question. What did Robin Redbreast and Jenny Wren do? These answers I will send you to your group. And next main question. Word wise. Gender. High frequency words. Silent letters. Okay. D main question. Say these words aloud. SW words, CK words. These are SW words. Sweet, swim, swan, swing, sweep. These are SW words. Next, CK words. Words which have letter CK. See this one? Back, rack, neck, rock, sack. These words contain CK letters. And say these words. You too, please say these words aloud. E main question. Fill in the blanks with he and she words from the box. He and she words. See, he, she, boy, girl. This is nothing but a gender. Boy and girl, he and she. These we call it as gender. Okay. See, look at this box. And we need to divide these names as a boy column or girl column, he column or she column. This is he column, this is she column. Boy is he, girl is she. Okay. Second, fill in the blanks. Horse. Horse is a boy column. Write it in the boy column. Whereas girl column, the same horse is called as mare. M-A-R-E, mare is a she column. She horse is called mare. He horse is called horse. Like boy and girl, male and female, like that. Third, fill in the blanks. Lion. Lion is he column, it is. Okay. The she column of the lion is lioness. See, L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Lioness is a female or she of lion. She form of lion is lioness. She form of boy is girl. She form of horse is mare. And a fourth, fill in the blanks. See, horse is completed, boy is completed. Next, prince. P-R-I-N-C-E, prince, Rajkumara. And a she form of prince is a princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess is a she column. Fourth, fill in the blanks it is. And in the fifth, fill in the blanks. Now, prince is over. Tiger. Tiger, write it in the he column. Tiger. And in the she column, tiger form of she form of tiger is a tigress. T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress. That is she form. Sixth, fill in the blanks. See, after tiger, which noun is here? Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Cock, write cock in the he column. And in the she column, it is hen. H-E-N, hen. Hen lays eggs, whereas a cock doesn't lay eggs. Cock is male, hen is female, or he. Cock is he, hen is she. Seventh, fill in the blanks. Cock is over na. Knees. Next word is N-I-E-C-E. Knees. We need to write knees in the she column. N-I-E-C-E. Knees. And in the he column, nephew. Na. One's daughter's, one's sister's daughter is called niece. One's sister's son is called nephew. Sister's son is called nephew. Sister's daughter is called niece. Eighth, fill in the blanks. Last one. These two words are left. Now write uncle in the he column, aunt in the she column. Chikkappa, chikkamma, uncle and aunt. Here ends the E main question. All the words we fill in the blanks, he columns and she columns. Next exercise part I will take in the next class. Dear children, update these answers in your textbook, and I will send answers to your group. Write those question and answers in your CW. Be happy, be safe in your home, dear children. Dhanyavad.